Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss how to insert values in the table of a particular database. Okay, so let's see how to create database and insert values. So first of all, you need to create the database like create database, say college. So you can just select and press this icon. So the database has been created. You can see here. See, you can see this create database has been executed. So in the schema section, this section is called schema. You have to click schema. So now refresh all. So you can see here database is created college. Okay. Now we will create a table. Okay. So use college. Now create table. Say student or table one. Say table one. Table one. Okay. So this is the table name. And how to create table, just to make a small bracket and here write the column names. So whatever be the column you need, so first of all, so I need suppose id. So this is the column name, then space, you need to write the data type int. Suppose I am taking integer type, and that should not be null, or that should be a primary key. That should be a primary key. Okay, so next, suppose I need in the second one I need name. So name should be varchar, say the limit is 50. Okay, now I need salary. So salary should be float, and that this column should not be null, at least some salary should be there. Okay, so not null. Okay, so suppose these three columns are are available in the table. So now make semicolon, let's create table. So run this. So table has been created from select star. Star means all, select all from table one. Okay, let's see what happens after execution. So it's showing the column names, that is column 1 id, column 2 name, and salary. Entries are null. So now let's close this, and now try to insert the values inside the table. Suppose so you can enter the values inside the table by using insert into table. Insert into table 1. Insert into table 1. Okay, so now insert values in the table. So we should use insert into command. Insert into. Now your table name, then enter and write the value in brackets, that is in the form of first column, second column, and third column. So these are the column names. These are the column names. Now in the syntax there is values. So after values, in the same sequence, as in the same order, you have to write the id, then name should be a string, so then double inverted comma, and the salary is float. Okay, so this is the I have inserted few values. So 101 is the id ram, and 25,000 is the salary. Say this is 102, say this is 103, say this is 104. Okay, now let's execute this. So it is executed. Now we can again check our table by select from command. So it is showing, yes. So this, see this, the first column is showing ID 101 Ram, salary 25,000, 102 Shyam, salary 35,000, 103 Raj 5,000, 104 Rohit 50,000. So this is how you can insert the values in the table in a given database. Okay.